In this section of the Benson CCA 200 mini training, we'll be covering daily calibration. Prior to starting the daily calibration, when looking at the hardware, we need to make sure that earphones are sitting on the BAS 200 calibrator. The blue side here is our left, and as you can see, it's sitting inside the blue plastic cup. If it's sitting on the edge here, that's incorrect. We want to make sure that this rubber piece is sitting directly inside the rim of the plastic. On the right-hand side, which is the red side, it's correctly set already. Secondly, we need to make sure that the patient response button here also removed. And when it's removed, we will see that the BAS 200 light is activated. Lastly, because we're using a sound booth, we need to make sure that the sound booth door is closed. Now we'll get into the software. From the main operating screen on the right-hand side, there should be a daily calibration dialog box that has to be selected. Once selected, we'll see a check mark inside that box. And then we can hit the start audiogram icon. It's important that once we hit the start button, that the room is quiet. We try to avoid any sort of ambient noise if possible. From there, we'll know that the collection has started because under status, the testing, and then values in between 60 to 70 dB should be showing up in and around the left from 5K all the way to 8K, and then on the right, 5K, 8K. And let us begin. Now that the collection is complete, the status should say finished. Then we should get a printout, print to screen. And from here, you can see that there is a slight deviation from our reference, which is what essentially the machine wants to capture. So in this case, captured 65. What it was looking for was 70. 5 dB variance should be fine, as long as it's within 10. Lastly, when we look at the results, it should say pass. And the deviation from reference was within range in this case. If anything, if we need to do the calibration over again, we can always hit the clear button. From there, select the daily calibration dialog box again. And then hit the start. Otherwise, if you're happy with the daily calibration and it's passed, you can print it from that previous screen. That covers our section for daily calibration.